Here's a test for your patience. So there I was sitting in my dentist chair for my usual cleaning, dwelling on the pain that was about to come. And when they started scraping and grinding, I noticed that my cleaning hurt more than the root canal I just had. Maybe my teeth are sensitive, but it was really painful. I looked through my sunglasses and saw that my toes were extended, my back was arched, my hands were locked together in a death grip, and I didn't even realize it. And I thought, why am I so anxious? Is this tension really helping me? Not really. Right then I decided to try an experiment. Is it possible to be totally calm right now? I wasn't sure. So I relaxed my back. I took a breath. I released my fingers and I melted into the chair. And a funny thing happened. The pain in the moment didn't go away, but I also didn't hold on to the negative feeling when it was gone. I let go of thoughts like, oh, this is awful, or I hate this, this is the worst thing ever. And I was able to shift my thoughts to how good I would feel when I was done, knowing that I'm doing a really good thing for myself. I imagine not having to get dentures and pulling them out of my mouth every night. And it was a good feeling. Then I thought, if I could be relaxed in that moment, think about the countless smaller times of tension that I can be in control of. Meeting stress, traffic stress, technology stress, people stress. And then I got pretty excited about this new power I discovered. Now, James Clear said, happiness is the state you enter when you no longer want to change your state. If we can let go of tension and anxiety and be okay in the worst of moments, we can be happy just about anywhere. Maybe that's the present moment state that we all strive for. Try it, test yourself, and see how you can stay calm even in the worst moments. You're going to learn something about yourself when you do. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you next time on 2 Minute Mindsets.